Hi guys, at McGrath Celestial Nirvana palette arrived today. So I am very excited to shoot this tutorial video for you. I am going to do a few more videos because I just don't have the time to cramp a few different looks into one video. In today's video I'm doing swatches and I'm doing the tutorial for this eyeshadow look. And then I'm also using the blue Dark Star ultraviolet mascara on the lower lashes. So that's what that looks like. And if you're interested in seeing how I did the look, please stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so I just primed my eyes with a Too Faced Born This Way sculpting concealer and just set it with the Huda Beauty Banana Bread baking powder. And for eyebrows, I just put some brown eyeshadow down and set the brows with the NYX Control Freak brow gel. I'm starting off with Desert Divinity. I'm just backing that in the crease and going to blend it upwards and outwards just to create a basic transition color. I'm so excited to try different looks. I actually considered for today to do one look per eye, but I'm going out later, so I need to look like decent. I'm gonna be using this color or not. Such a lovely base color for pretty much all the colors in here. Oh, and I just used a plain fluffy brush for that base look. And then I'm going in with Nightfall with a small pointed brush and just placing that on the outer V. Just deepening up this crease. I'm going to put more against the lash line. I just want to first darken up these outer edges of the crease of the lid. that with the previous brush. And then taking my pinky finger, I'm going in with Bronze Infatuation and just dragging that, oh, it's pretty, over the lid. I'll just blend it out with the pointed brush there. Just want to deepen up those corners a bit more with that same dark Nightfall color, almost in a winged shape. Just lift it up a bit there and to the middle of the eye. I'm taking Cosmic Champagne also on my pinky and just dabbing that on the inner corner. And then I'm just taking Cosmic Champagne on a flat fluffy brush and just against the brow. I'm trying not to spread it out on the entire brow bone. I just want it close to the brow, just to lift it a bit. Just lift that inner part up a bit. It goes so quick when you have good quality eyeshadow. Then on the lower lash line, I'm putting some Desert Divinity. Whoa! I've got to tap it off, it's a bit pigmented. I'll just take a clean brush and rough that out. Then I'm taking Altered State on that pointed green, that pointed fluffy brush, and I'm going to place that against the lower lash line and bring some color into this look. Just trying to place it close to the eye line. And then take the previous brush and just blend it a bit. And then on a very thin brush, I'm taking Aquarian Dream and placing that on the inner side of the lower line. I just want to brighten up that lower lash inner corner a bit. Then I'm going to go finish off the rest of my makeup, do liner, lashes, my concealer, everything, and then I will see you with the final look. Okay, so there we have the finished look. I added some of the Dark Star, that ultraviolet blue mascara, the new one, on the lower lashes, and then I just added some Maybelline Sky High and some no-name brand falsies that I got on AliExpress for the eyelashes. And then I added some of the Sigma Wicked pencil in the waterline and just at the top of it. So, what do you think? I like it. I will be playing around with a lot of the other colors, probably not all in one video. I still have a few looks in mind that I want to do with the palette only. And then I have some new things coming in that I want to combine with this palette. So keep an eye out for those. It's going to be fun and exciting. And I hope to see you next time.